Having trouble getting your lawnmower started?
Watch this video.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Okay, my son, take off them 2 bolts holding the carburetor, the air housing on. Them 2 right there.
Yep. We need a size
10 millimeter.
right there. Now it's time to get this on.
Keep going.
Gonna go hold this on. Okay. Now we're going to take that off.
So, we need our... okay. Take this off. It's the pumper noodle.
There we go.
And we're going to take off our gas line. I need a screw to plug that. Remove the fuel rod. You're going to need to straighten this thing out. Like so. So now we're going to take the bottom off the carburetor, the bowl. So let's do that now. That 10 millimeter will do, buddy.
10 mil.
Yeah. Yeah, let me see it. Okay.
There it is. Oh.
So, next
It's another one.
we take the float off.
Yep.
Right here. And we'll clean any dirt that might be on the seat, needle and seat. And right in there is the main jet. We'll take that out and clean that out. Okay, so right here, we're going to take out the main jet.
You can see there's a tiny screw in there holding the jet. That's what's holding the jet in. What we're going to do is we're going to try to get this out, and then we're going to fix it and then run it. That's what we're doing today on This Guy's Garage.
Okay. As you can see here, we got some dirt built up in the jet, so yeah, that's bad. We're gonna have to clean that out.
Yep.
We'll have the diffuser under the jet. So let's clean this up and put it back together, see if she runs. So normally I'd look for a garbage tie wrap, but I can't seem to find one, so I'm gonna see what I can do with a sewing needle. Sometimes you're just stuck. Alright. You want to film this, Nate? So we're going to stick this in here. And now we have this coming out the other end, as you can see. Now that we have the dirt removed,
We can put it back together.
yeah, where's the... I'm just going to run the needle through all these holes
To get it clean.
to get it clean. So this is a very simple machine, very easy to take apart and put back together. Very few pieces, so now I'm going to clean this up with some brake cleaner and put it back together.
Yep.
Dirty, you can use some deep crepe, some seafoam. But this one's not that dirty.
It's just a
A
tiny.
little stuck from sitting.
Yeah, it's just a tiny bit dirty.
So next we put on the float bolt tightened up. Now we need to put on the carburetor. So do you want to slip that on, little buddy?
Yep. Right here.
Okay.
Now,
Need to put on
the gasket.
the gasket.
Right there, and just like so.
Mm-hmm.
Now the hose back on.
I don't think that's where that goes. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna help you. You hold the camera, I'll do it. You hold the camera.
So I did a nice job.
You did a great job.
It's not easy.
No, it's not easy, but anybody can do it.
Yep. It's repairable. And if this happens to your lawnmower at home, you can just watch this video to get help.
Alright, put the spring back on.
If somebody at home needs to get their lawnmower repaired, just ask for help and watch a video of this. There.
Alright.
Now we put the gasket on. Gasket.
That goes there.
And just like so.
Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna put the fuel line back on.
Yep. The fuel line belongs.
And we need some pliers.
Pliers. Some pliers to get this back in. Just need to get some pliers for a minute. And you do that. You slip it on. And then you just have to slip it on tight, and then
Slip it on tight.
And then there you go.
Ignore the mess of gasoline. So.
See if she starts.
Okay, that goes there.
And then we're gonna need to tighten those 2 bolts. I'm sorry that I flopped the camera.
Okay, my son.
Okay, we have to put the
Just 1 second. Always start them first. No, you never start with the wrench. You always put them on by hand. Get them started because you don't want them to go on cross-threaded, because if they go on cross-threaded, you'll be in a world of hurt.
right now. And then we're going to tighten it.
Okay, tighten it.
Okay.
Okay, go to the other one now.
Right here. Now we're gonna hang.
Okay, tighten it. That's it.
And then we're gonna put the.
See if it starts first before we put too much of it back together.
Yep. Can I start it?
No, you can't.
I'm gonna. Let's see if it starts for long. First start.
There you go.
It first start and then there. That's our problem.
So, it's fixed.
It's fixed.
And if we can fix it, anybody can fix it.
Yep. It's repairable.
Yeah.
And that's it for this guy's garage. This guy out.
So thanks again for stopping by this guy's garage. I hope you found this helpful or useful. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button right there. And check us out on the next one. This guy out.
And give this video 1,000 likes.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.